All right, so we've just got a review lesson of graphing lines and being able to determine what the equation is by looking at a line. So I've given you the directions. You always start with putting your y-intercept on your graph, then you use your slope, and then here are your slope directions. If it's positive, you can go up and to the right, or you can go down and to the left. And then if your slope is negative, you can go down and to the right, or you can go up and to the left. And then I've given you a picture of just what do positive and negative slopes look like, because we're still maybe only half of us able to see it. So the only way I know how to describe it is that positive sloping lines go up and to the right, whereas negative sloping lines will be going down and to the right. I'm not sure a better way to explain it, but Google it. Try to find videos, pictures, anything you can to help you understand the difference between positive and negative. Because we're going to need to know that for all of our graphs. So here is our first, think about it, warm-up problem. We want to graph this line. So remember, it's y equals mx plus b. So we start with the b, which is the y-intercept, and b is 5. So we put that on the graph here at positive 5. It has to be on this line, which is called the y-axis. That's why it's a y-intercept. Then our slope, we always want to write it as a fraction. And this slope is positive 2/3. So what are my slope directions? I can go up and right, or you may have chosen to go down and left. Either one, you don't have to put both options. I'm going to go up and to the right. So I'm going to go up 2 and right 3, and then put a point, and then do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, put a point, connect your line with the line function, and then go back and add arrows. So this is the graph of the function y equals 2/3 x plus 5.